straw is dry today. I must store it carefully. There, stacked neatly. The animals will stay warm this winter. Wait, what is that? Sparks? No, no, no! I can't breathe. Too much smoke. Oh no! The straw is on fire! Come on! Pull it up! Hurry! It's heavy, but I must get this to the fire! Back to the well, more water! Quickly! I need water fast! Take it! Please! Let the water run! I can't stop now! Breathe! Breathe! Cough! Cough! The smoke, it burns my eyes! You're safe now! Stay together, little ones! This is the last bucket! I must finish it! It's over! Finally over! Thank you, everyone! We survived! I will protect this farm, always! The water is rising. This storm is worse than I feared.
Oh my goodness! I have to go help!
The piglets, they're trapped inside. Hold on, little ones. I'll get this door open. Go! Run out, don't be afraid! Climb on my back! I'll carry you! Stay still! I won't let you go! The ground is so slippery, but I must not fall! Hold tight, both of you! We'll make it through! Almost slipped! Stay calm! Stay calm! I can't stop now! One step at a time! Here! This ground is safe! You'll be all right here! More are still trapped! I can't leave them behind! Come here! Little one, don't be afraid! I've got you! together. You're safe now, all of you. The current is too strong. I almost lost my footing. One last piglet. I won't leave you behind. It's over. You're safe now. Breathe, little ones. We made it through the storm. Together, we are stronger. The apples look so ripe today. If I climb carefully, I can reach that one. Wow, so shiny and red.
Oh my goodness! I have to go help!
Into the basket you go. This tree is full of treasures. These low branches are perfect for me. The basket's getting heavy already. So many apples, I can't stop smiling. That one's the high H&M. Maybe I can reach. Just a little stretch more. Oh no, the branch is cracking. Oh, I'm slipping. The basket's everything's falling. My apples, they're rolling everywhere. Quick, I have to gather them back. This one's still clean. Good. Back into the basket you go. Huh, little sparrows, are you hungry? Here, take this apple. Don't be shy. Look at them pecking so happily. Ha! More friends joining us. This is the sweetest harvest I've ever had.